Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how to make the camera on your iPhone always in full screen mode. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching. And let's get started. So friends, I'm going to show you in general how it's full screen mode. So look, when you open the camera, it always looks 3x4 in size. That's the default settings of the camera. And if you click at the top on this sign here, then you click on the size selection, you'll have several options. So the standard 4x3 option, also square, and then there's also a 16x9 option here. This is called full screen mode, so as you can see, it's quite a big increase in the size of the photo. But unfortunately, if you exit the camera and then go back in, you're probably not going to have a 16x9 photo. You're going to have a 4x3. At least if you take a few photos, exit the camera, and after some time, for example, after about 10 minutes return to the camera, the settings will be reset and it will be 4x3 again. So how to fix this and how to make sure that the full screen mode, it remained for a long time. To do this, exit the camera, go to the settings on your iPhone, and then scroll down in the settings and find camera. Then here you'll need to go to this option right here and find the creative control here, and you will need to activate it. This way you will save all the last settings and also the changes you made to the camera. And now if you go into the camera, you'll always have full screen mode. Friends, this is the way you can make your iPhone camera in full screen mode all the time. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes under the video. Write your comments and see you soon.